Today we will study about since as a conjunction. This is going to be our third chapter of since as a conjunction. Firstly, we will understand how since is used as a conjunction. So it is used in the sense of from an event in the past until a later past event. In this format, we can use since as a conjunction. So to understand better, we have taken some example to understand its uses in a sentence and how it is used as a conjunction in a sentence. So firstly we will go through some examples. Then we will have idea how since is used as a conjunction in a sentence. The first example which we have is it was 7 days since my brother hadn't called me because he was angry at me. So here we can use since as a conjunction. Second example is it was 2 years since Ram had completed his 10th class. Next example is it was third time since he had not let me bat in the match. Next example is it was 2 hours since Ram had finished his assignment which was given to him. Next example is it is 10 hours since we hadn't eaten anything as our mother had gone to market. Next example is it was over 10 days since my boss hadn't given me my salary. Next example is it was half an hour since they hadn't arrived at my home. The last example of this chapter is it was 7 days since they hadn't remembered me. So here we have finished by watching some example how since is used as a conjunction in a sentence. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel as well as hit like button.